How to Instagram voice changer. Enhancing the voice effects on your Instagram can change your voice. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Now, once inside your Instagram app, simply tap on the Your Story at the top left corner of your screen. And once you do so, you'll be navigated to your story camera, or you can simply slide it to the right hand side. Now, once inside your Instagram story, all you have to do is you can see there are effects option available at the bottom. Swipe to select the search icon at the end. Once you see the search icon, tap on it. Then in the search address bar, type down the voice effects. Now once you tap on the voice effects, within the audio control, you can see the changes of your voice from this effect. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.